Precise. Tactical. Aware. The hunter. The striker. Canard Delta Wing Design. The Soaring 4.5 Gen. Omni Roll. All weather capable. PAF's Vigorous Dragon is here. Dawn of a new era. The proud flag bearer. Game changer. First shot capability. The new frontline fighter. Equipped with modern EW suite. SR radar.
Number 15 Squadron has the unique honor of having scored the first kill for Pakistan Air Force. And inshallah, when the time comes, Number 15 Squadron again, being equipped with this aircraft, will be at the forefront in defense of the motherland. As you can see, it's a beautiful aircraft, highly maneuverable, extremely powerful, but most of all, being a 4.5 plus gen aircraft, it is truly unrivaled, unparalleled in the region. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty, the induction of this weapon system in Pakistan Air Force is truly a game-changing event.
PAF on path to modernization.
With the kind of capabilities we now possess, it's a quantum leap.
J-10C.